What's up, security professionals? This is for my fellow security company owners who are out proposing for certain locations. Complete your due diligence prior to contacting the location. Do not waste time contacting locations in areas that do not need security services. One way to find these locations is to Google map the areas you are targeting and look at the surrounding neighborhoods in street view. See if there is any graffiti, low-income housing, or if the area just looks run down. This usually means there is a probability of high criminal activity. Use websites such as crimemapping.com to see the number of and types of crime reports in the area. This would justify the location you're targeting to contract for security services. Put all this information in your proposal. Don't worry, I will cover that in a future video. Target multiple locations within a 1 to 2 mile radius, such as hotels, factories, strip malls, movie theaters, apartment complexes, etc. Follow for more tips, tricks, and suggestions on how to grow your security company to a 6-figure revenue a year or more.